Good afternoon, everyone. This is Bob McIntosh here in beautiful Naples, Florida, and today we're going to do a brief walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Hop on board, we'll go over a few of the features she has to offer. What I really love about the 240 Dauntless is it offers a little bit of everything for everyone. Where I'm standing now poses an excellent casting platform for the fishermen in the family. It also doubles as a fold-down transom seat for when we're cruising. If we move forward, you'll also find a double wide helm seat that again doubles as both a live well and or cooler. Now if we work our way up to the bow, I can show you some excellent seating accommodations we have there as well. So one of my favorite spots in the 240 Dauntless is exactly where we're at now, here at the bow. We have great under-seating storage all throughout. Everything's insulated. Everything is assisted by gas struts. You don't have to worry about any of the openings slamming shut or pinching any fingers. I have a nice grab rail here, drink holder. Really makes for a cool spot to cruise on a calm day. This boat is perfect for Southwest Florida. Again, whether you're going to fish it, whether you're going to cruise, or whether you're going to take it to the beach, it really does a little bit of everything for everyone. I'd love to give you a more in-depth tour, so please stop down. Again, my name is Bob McIntosh. To schedule a showing, please give me a call. My cell phone's 215-501-2473. Look forward to seeing you on the water.